Kids International.
We are going to learn some words to do with nature. Nature, yeah. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Very good. Sky.
Sky.
Star.
Star.
Moon.
Moon.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Now we get to the hard ones. River.
River.
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Cave.
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 Good. Cave.
Cave.
Cave. Cave.
Cave.
Oh, very good. Shut up.
Cave.
Good. Mountains.
Mountain. Volcano.
Oh, volcano.
Volcano.
Very good. Okay. Now, are you ready? Moon. Moon. Snap. Snap. You know, snap. All right. Ready? Volcano. Oh, very good. Okay. Cave. Good. Ready? Rainbow. Oh, good. Okay, last one. Last one. Elephant.
No.
There's no elephant, is there? Okay. Apple.
No.
No. Snake.